What's the meaning of base jumper? Base jumper. Base jumper.
Base jumper. Base jumper. Base jumping is an extreme sport that involves jumping from a fixed point such as a building, bridge, or cliff while wearing a parachute or wingsuit. A base jumper is someone who participates in this activity. Base jumping is considered one of the most dangerous sports in the world due to the risks involved, including the potential for equipment failure and landing in hazardous locations. Despite the risks, many adrenaline junkies are drawn to the excitement and thrill of base jumping. It requires courage, skill, and preparation to safely execute a jump, and many enthusiasts consider it to be the ultimate rush.